Hi there, welcome back to my Clean Eating Kitchen channel, where I share easy, healthy, and delicious gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. I'm on an Instant Pot kick, and today I'm sharing another chicken recipe that can be made in just about 30 minutes. Honestly, I just love the Instant Pot, and I'm really happy to keep sharing recipes because I find that there are a lot of people who have an Instant Pot, but they still have it in the box, or maybe you have one, but you're just not using it because you're maybe intimidated by it or you just don't know what to make. So I actually created a separate video with everything you need to know to get started using your Instant Pot, and you can find that video here. So today we're going to be making a gluten-free, easy, homemade chicken teriyaki dish. And you probably have all the ingredients in your kitchen already. I promise it's so easy and it's really tasty. It's paleo, it's gluten-free, and it's Whole30 if you're on that diet plan. So let's jump right in. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, which is about 3 pieces, and I've cut it into chunks. Then you're going to need some chicken broth, which I use reduced sodium. You'll need tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce, coconut sugar or brown sugar, which you can just leave out if you're on a Whole30. You can use frozen or fresh pineapple chunks, chopped fresh flat leaf parsley, and some arrowroot starch or cornstarch, which we'll use to thicken the sauce after the chicken is cooked. Now that's only 8 ingredients, and I think you might have them all in your kitchen right now. We're going to turn on the Instant Pot to saute, and we'll add some avocado oil. We'll let the oil heat up for a couple of minutes. We'll add the chicken and the garlic into the stainless steel insert of the Instant Pot, and we'll saute it for about 3 minutes. We'll give it a stir so it starts to cook on all sides of the chicken. Next, we'll add the broth, and then we'll cancel the saute function. Now, at this point, I like to use a wooden spoon to stir around and scrape off any of the food that might be stuck to the bottom of the Instant Pot, because this will help prevent the dreaded burn message. I don't know if you've ever had this happen with your Instant Pot, but it's really frustrating. Then we will add the pineapple and the coconut sugar, and we'll stir to combine. Lock on the lid and select the pressure cook function for about 10 minutes on high pressure. And this is usually the perfect amount of time to cook chicken. Make sure your steam valve is set in the sealing position. When the cooking time is up, let the pressure come down for about 10 minutes naturally. I like to do this because then it just helps reduce some of the steam, and then you can quick release the pressure after about 10 minutes. Remove the lid and use a slotted spoon to transfer the chicken and the pineapple to a plate, so then we can make that really thick, sweet, delicious teriyaki sauce. So press the saute button again, and then add your arrowroot starch, and then use a whisk to combine the starch with the liquid in the pot. And just whisk it around for a couple of minutes. Once the liquid starts to simmer, then the sauce will start to thicken. That takes maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. Then you will cancel the saute button and pour your chicken and the pineapple back into the sauce. Give it a nice stir. Then you can add the parsley, and you're ready to serve it. And I like to serve this dish with cooked white rice or brown rice, or you could use cauliflower rice if you're doing a Whole30 or a strict paleo diet, or if you just want a lower carb option. So this dish is super easy, it's really delicious. You can store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. It's a great meal prep recipe, and I hope you love it as much as I do. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.